YouTube, I'm Crystal of crystalsewsandstuff.com. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a review for you, and it is a review of the Breckenridge Henley pattern by Love Notions Patterns. And this is such a cute little take on a standard Henley. So this pattern is designed for knit fabrics, and it comes in options for a shirt, a tunic, as well as a dress length. And then there are sleeve length options to sew it short sleeve, long sleeve with a sleeve tab, which I did, and I just love this sleeve tab option. It gives it such a nice little flair to it. And then you can also sew it long sleeve with a wide cuff as well. So a lot of options on this pattern. And so let me tell you a little bit about the sizing. So the pattern comes in sizes extra small up to 5XL, and that's for a finished bust measurement of 34 and a half up to 60, excuse me, let me just double check, to 60.5 and a half inches. So a lot of a great pattern range there, and it's also for hip sizes of 37 inches to 65 inches. So I just wanted to double check my notes. So great size range, a good amount of ease, but it's still a bit fitted up in the bust area. And there are options for two bodices. So there's a standard bust bodice measurement, and then there's also a full bust size measurement. So, and the way you check to see which size you're in is to check your upper bust measurement against your full bust measurement. Your upper bust measurement is measured up around here, and then your full bust measurement is here. And if your bust is 3 inches, if it's a 3-inch or less difference, you would sew up the standard size bust. But if it's 3 inches or more difference, you would sew up the full size bust. So most people won't have to make a full bust adjustment on this pattern, which is great and is a great time saver. So anyway, that's the basics about the pattern. I really love this curved neckline. It has buttons down the front. Now the buttons are just sewn on, but there is also an option for you to put real buttonholes if you want, and they tell you how to add interfacing to the neckband in order from about here down. You would add interfacing to the neckband to add your real buttons just to stabilize your buttonholes, and they explain how to do that in the pattern. And then on this center section, it has a little X like your traditional Henley tops always have. So really cute there. So there aren't a lot of pattern pieces. You just have your front, you have your back, cut on the fold. And the front is cut on the fold, but then you cut down the middle to a dot marking, and then that's where you apply your neckband. And then, like I said, the back is on the fold. Then you have your sleeve pieces, your sleeve tab piece, and then if you wanted to do the cuff, there's also a cuff piece as well. So the fabrics that I chose were for this first one. This one was in the tester phase, and this one I did a size medium all the way through, just a straight size medium, but I raised up the waistline about 1 inch just to hit me where my waist is because I'm pretty short. And then that's the only change that I made for the this first one. So really easy to sew, and I like it's a little bit looser up top. So I would say if you're picking this up, make sure you just pick, if you're between sizes, you should go ahead down a size, so because it fits nicely up here, and there's enough ease to make it look nice on you either way. So anyway, so for this one I sewed a size medium, and then for this one I sewed a size small, and I still adjusted out for the waist because I like the way this one fit me in the waist and hips. So for the second one, which is what I'm wearing, I made a size small, and I really like how they both turned out. And this is in an ITY knit that I picked up at Fabric Mart, I believe. I'm not 100% sure if it was from Fabric Mart, or it might have even been from Craftsy. But either way, I've had this for like 2-3 years now, so I'm sure you can't pick it up anymore, but you might be able to find it. But it's a really cute ITY knit, and it has these beautiful bright colors in it, and I love how it turned out in both fabrics. It's really cute, color blocked. I just like the way the white brings out the blue here, and I can wear this with jeans a lot. And then this one is really cute, and I styled it with some black faux leather pants. So I just like both versions so much. So anyway, let me show you the insides of the top so you can see how it looks, the finishing looks. Okay, so for the inside, this is where you attach the neckband, and you can see the little X that you use in the middle to hold down the neckband more securely. I finished all my seams on my serger all the way around. I got it all on her wrong, but here you go. So anyway, I finished everything with my serger here, and I sewed a zigzag stitch on the curved areas, and then I finished the side seams with the serger, and then on the hem I just used a zigzag hem over the bottom edge just to hold that down. And I really love how it turned out. This is how the tabs are attached. They're attached on the inside of the sleeve before you sew the sleeve on, so that way it can be nice. You sew it in while it's still flat, and then you sew the sleeve on in the flat, and you join it flat instead of it's not an inset sleeve, it's sewn flat. So I really like that detail. It does save time, and I like the way these tabs are applied to the pattern. So really good details, and the directions are really clear on how to go ahead and get this neckband to be nice and squared off right here. So there's a video included in the pattern. You just click the link within the pattern, and you can just go straight to the video tutorial, which is really clear and shows you clearly how to go ahead and sew the neckband down, because that's the only tricky part. Everything else is pretty straightforward, and you do that at the beginning, then it's smooth sailing for the rest of the construction of the pattern. So anyway, that is my those are all the details about the Breckenridge Henley pattern. So now let me show you some pics and twirls of me out on the deck wearing the pattern. Of the Breckenridge Henley pattern by Love Notions, and I think this is a pattern that you would love to go ahead and sew up. It's pretty fast. There's a video for you to sew up this little section. It's the only kind of little bit of tricky part, but there's a clear video included with the pattern. You just hit the link and you go straight to the tutorial on how to sew up this part. But it's just so cute, and it has a nice sophisticated style that I love, and I think you would really enjoy sewing this up. So I'll leave a link in the description box below. Now this is an affiliate link, and I receive a small commission if you decide to make a purchase using that link at no extra cost to you, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. So that is my review of the Breckenridge Henley. I wanted to go ahead and thank you all for checking out my last video, which were my 24 amazing sewing tools that you can pick up on Amazon. I really love all of your comments. I'm glad I could help you guys out with picking up great sewing tools to purchase to add to your sewing area. So anyway, I wanted to thank everyone, and I loved all of your comments. And if you haven't had a chance to check out that video, I'll leave a link right here in the cards for you to check out. And then if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of all of my upcoming videos. So now I'm starting to move over to Tuesdays for my video, so you'll see me again next Tuesday with another video. I might do another, other videos in between those times, but for now I'm gonna try to stick with Tuesdays for all of my video uploads. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss anything. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are having a great day. Take care. Bye.